Hello, I'm going to explain in this video explanation of the project which is called graph. So in our code is right now in the Jupyter notebook. It will be uploaded as a pie chart is in the pie format like for the runnable in Google Classroom. It's just for explanation. So these three lines of the code is the we are importing to the libraries. The first library is RE, which is regular expression library. The second one is network NX, which will be create and manipulating graphs we will use. So we are importing as an in short, and we are importing matplotlib .pyplot as a PLT in order to plot our graph, to show our graph. So there is a def parse ints functions which was given as a hint in the file. So what does the parse ints makes? It will take the string, in our case like s as the input, and these functions use the re library that we imported in order to replace all the occurrences like which is the spaces like as we mentioned here, like, and this is the parameter of the function. So there is a variable which is called ints, and we are taking ints, splits the results string into a list of integers using the split function. So after that it will return us the integers as a result. So here we are opening the graph.dat file, which is this one, like which was provided in the classroom, in the file, in the zip file. So we are opening this, like using this is the numbers, like list of the vertex and edges. So using this viz open file, graph.file, like we are importing as f, and we are making lines here. So we are making lines variable in order to read the lines, like which means for reading the and reads all of the it contents into the list of the lines to the this variable which is specified. So we have the vertices and edges. These two is used the parse int function that was created here. So we divide it in the vertex and edge, because here like this is the vertex, this is the edge. For that reason we created this one. So it parses actually using this. So above this there is we are using this NX, which is the we imported as this one, like network X. So it's also in order to manipulate. So this code creates an empty graph object using graph function. It's comes with the graph method from the network X library. So after that we add the vertices, like as it's explained in the commands. So which is like above the code, it will iterates over the vertices list two at a time, creating a node in the graph for each pair, and each code is represented as a tuple containing x and the y coordinates of the vertices. So as a last one, which is the our range like 0 with the 4, this above code iterates over the edges list at 4 time, creating edge in the graph for each pairs of integers, and each is represented as a tuple of two tuples, where each tuple represents x and y coordinates and points its edges. So as a last, this code draws our graph using the PLT show. We will show this one, which is the matplotlib. So this is the result of our graph, which was given as a problem in order to parse. So this is the result. So the result is same like the PDF was provided. Like if you do this, and there is the second version which without parsing the file. So we just take the vertices from the graph that like this one. So and is edges, we take this one, so which is in the second line. We just put and use the same code for drawing the our graphs, so it will show. This is the second version of our code. Like, it was not asked in the PDF file, but it was just provided. So this is the main. We use the all functions and required. Thank you.